Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to record an invoice payment in QuickBooks Online using undeposited funds. Two methods of receiving payments, and show you how to use the undeposited funds account to keep your records precise. Simply locate your customer and you'll see the outstanding amount they owe. From there, you can click Receive Payment to begin the process. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Create menu and select Receive Payment. Once there, enter the customer's name, and QuickBooks will display any open invoices associated with them. For the invoices being paid, tick the relevant checkboxes. By default, QuickBooks assumes the full amount is being paid, but you can adjust this if it's a partial payment. Next, specify how the customer made the payment. If the payment method isn't already listed, you can quickly add it by selecting Add New. For instance, if the payment was made via check, you might also want to include the check number for reference. Now, choose where to record the payment. Select Undeposited Funds if you plan to combine this payment with others before depositing them at the bank. This temporary account is particularly useful for grouping multiple payments into a single bank deposit later on. If you're not combining payments, you can select the appropriate bank account directly. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Close. You'll see that the customer's balance updates to 0, indicating the payment was successfully applied. If you recorded the payment directly into a bank account, you're done. However, if you used the undeposited funds account, you'll need to record the deposit once you've made it at the bank.